Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to repair upgrade this 10.4 inch Allen Bradley 1000E from CCFL to our UB54 series LED kits. This kit comes with two LED strips, one small driver MS610 and one wire adapter. So basically you don't have to involve any wire rewiring your inverter because it's just plug and play. Alright. So this one is, let's say aside LED kit. Take a look this. Okay, this one. You see this? This is Allen Bradley panel view 1000E. So, and then you check out part number here. They have a part number 2711E-T10C6. Again, 2711E-T10C6. If you try to find an upgrade kit, you always go by this model. Don't go by the front, which is called Allen Bradley Panel View 1000E, because 1000E they might use in different type of, same size of screen, but they might use in different type of LCD screen inside or inverter. So this kit is actually custom for this model, particular because they have an inverter. I'm going to show you later on inside. So the problem with this set is the no display. I mean, when fire up, the machine looks like running, but no display. This you can, if you want to find out what the screen number is, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 screws, but I already removed 2. So you remove it, you pull it back out, and then you can see what the screen part number is. Pretty easy. This video I might have to break into a few parts because I don't want to put. It's gonna be a little bit longer than normal. I want to show you. See that? You just open it up. This is probably better for you to see. I just use a hand to hold it. As you can see, this is panel is made by Sharp. Maybe it's better. Sharp. It's LQ104V1DG11. 2 lamps, 1 top, 1 bottom. This is the inverters. Okay. So in order to remove the LCD screen to upgrade LED, we're gonna mount the inverter back. I mean our driver here, and then mount back the LED strips top and bottom. Same location as CCFL. But take it out. You have to take out all this whole thing. First, we need to remove this touchscreen cable first, and then remove all the screws. So I have to put the screw back again. So to hold that the back covers. Okay, so alright. In order to access this cable is right here. In order to access, to disconnect the touchscreen cable, we had to take this metal part out. There's a few screws holding, and there's 2 on each side, and there's 2 on each side, right? And then there's 2 on the top. Right, carefully remove it. Now we see, maybe this is a little bit easy for you. See that? This is the cable. We need to disconnect. Usually I use a marker, like a mark, just in case, you know. This is going to be only one way. So carefully push both ends. Oh. Okay, we got it. Okay, now we took it out already. Oh, whew. There's 2 clips. I need to take it out, okay, because that's protecting. So I had to. You may not be able to see it, but there's plastic clips that holding the cable. You see this? So we need to take it out. You don't need to take it out if you want to try to repair, but I think this is the best way to do it. Okay. I don't want to damage it. Here we go. I don't want to lose it, so let's save it. I'll show you. You see this now? I just remove it, so it's loose now. Even though it's loose, we had to put a couple screws back. I don't want to. Let me put it right this way. Put a couple screws back to put 2 screws to hold in the back cover, and then we put the. Oops. I have to make sure it's. There you go. Now it's good. Okay. What happened? A little bit off. Oh, I see. Good. Try to rush it then. Like all the way push in the back cover. Now we have just remove it. So, but there's a whole bunch of screws on 4 sides. I removed some of those screws that hold in the bracket. Okay. So just to save some time, and there's 2 on this side, but suppose at 4, I would remove the other 2. And I'm not sure I can see on that one. Okay, 1 on this side. Actually, it's not 1. I just put 1 back. Okay, this side. Okay, looks like we're done. Okay, just pull out. Remember, we already removed the clip. We just pull out. Got it? To the touch screen. So now it's clean. Okay, set it aside.